I know how it feels to start UI UX alone with no guidance, just questions on your mind. Questions like how to start, where to start, and how to implement the learning. And I'm sure you are in a complete mess like I was in the beginning. I wish this is the plan I had on day one to start my UI UX career in just 30 days. I'm Akinjan, a self-taught UI UX designer with an experience of 6 years. In this channel, I help designers like you to avoid the mistakes that I have done in my starting phase so that you can launch a successful and a profitable career in UI UX. If you are learning alone and switching your career in UI UX, you are at the right place. So consider subscribing the channel and hit the like button for more upcoming UI UX videos. In this video, we'll talk about the most 3 search questions in the topic of UI UX, and then we'll come to the 30 days plan where you'll have a proper roadmap for your UI UX journey. So coming to the most important questions, first question is how to get the maximum learning. Second question is which course should I choose for my UI UX design. And the last question is how to get a right mentor for your UI UX career. Now let's get the answers of these questions. First question is how to get a maximum learning. The simple answer for this question is by learning and implementing of what you have learned in the same time. So how can you do that? Suppose you have learned about the topic in UI UX, for example color. So what you need to do is get the detailed information about the topic and then later practice in Figma. In that way you can learn UI UX as well as Figma. Coming to the second most asked question, which course should I buy? Speaking friendly, you don't need a course to learn UI UX. There are many free resources available in YouTube and online. You can learn from those. But the negative thing of these resources are there is a lot of misinformation in these videos. So what you need to do is, the first thing you need to do is select a topic, search in YouTube and find out a single video that has a proper explanation about the topic along with a tutorial video. For example, in my color and hierarchy video, I have explained them in detail along with tutorial how to use them. So you need to find a video about the topic that has practical knowledge as well. The last most asked question is how to get a mentor. Finding a mentor for your guidance is the luckiest thing you can have. If you find one, you are the luckiest person. But like me, I didn't have any. You can find a mentor by speaking to them, and many of the mentors, they provide one-to-one call services. So you have to pay and you can ask for guidance. And speaking of me, I'm not a mentor. If you have any doubt, you can come in the comment section. I'll help you as a brother, not a mentor. Okay? Now you know the shortcut to learn UI UX at a sonic speed. So if you are still here, like the video. Now let's discuss about the most important topic of this video, the 30-day plan. We will divide this 30 days in 4 weeks. First week you'll be learning about the UI UX and Figma. Don't go blind. In the first week itself, you need to master the topics. And along with that, you need to know the basics of Figma. While choosing the topic, I want you to practice in Figma. Just don't do the theory learnings. I want you to practice in Figma. Then coming to the week 2, getting your hands dirty. As you have mastered each and every topic of UI UX and you have practiced in Figma, take one inspiration website or app that you like. Try to understand their design thinking, try to make their design and try to do the prototyping of that website or app. That will boost your confidence. In my starting phase, I have made 70 to 80 websites and developed them using no-code softwares for the sake of practicing. So please don't do this. Take one app or website from every industry and try practicing their design. So in this process, you will save time and you can choose an industry later on. Then coming to the third week, the most advanced week, designing with AI. If you already know, AI can design better than you, AI can think better than you. So you need to use AI to do the job faster and better than you. How can you use AI now? First thing you need to learn is how to prompt. You need to address the feeling, the emotion, the color palettes of what is your vision. Then the AI can generate images, videos and all. Also, you can generate color palettes, wireframes using AI, and there is a lot of tools you need to use to get the maximum out of AI. So find out those tools. And if you want a detailed video about AI uses in UI UX, comment down AI and I'll try to bring a video on it, where I'll be teaching you the way I use AI in my UI UX projects. And here is the last week 4, building portfolio. I have already made a detailed video in portfolio, you can watch it here. I guarantee you don't need to watch any other portfolio videos other than this. So consider watching this video after. If you are watching till here, I want to give you a bonus tip just for you. Look, once you have learned about UI UX, what is your plan? To get a job or do freelancing? I have made a proper freelancing roadmap. You can watch the video here. This is the roadmap I have made for my 6 years experience. So if you want to earn a huge amount of money from your skill, consider watching this video.